Ever wanted to completely disappear into the hills for a few days?
चलो
So, a few years ago, I escaped the city rush and found this beautiful hidden gem, a beautiful, peaceful homestay right in the heart of Mirik. Forget luxury hotels, staying here felt like staying with family. Waking up to the crisp mountain air, a blanket of fog, and a hot
चलो
cup
रुको
of local tea, it's pure magic.
इधर आ जाओ
This property boasts its own berry nursery and organic farm. Every corner is blooming
लम्बा
with
छोड़ दो
life.
सीधे
We believe in living in harmony
एक शॉट
with
में आ जाए
nature, and here you are invited
बाद में
to
सीधे शॉट
reconnect with the earth.
कोको
Walk
शॉट
through our green pathways and see where life grows naturally.
कम कोको कम
It's wholesome, organic, and tastes
ये
exactly
नींबू का
like
तोड़ा दो
home.
नींबू है ये नींबू का पेड़ दिखाओ तो पूरा ले ली वो
When I visited this beautiful Mirik homestay a few years ago,
चलो
I expected peace and
एकदम
quiet,
प्रॉपर्टी में नींबू
but
आओ आ
instead
जाओ
I found the
चलो
ultimate
कम
stress
ऑन
buster. Meet
चलो
Coco.
इधर दिखा दो आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ
Coco was this tiny, energetic ball of fur. Honestly, the moment we met, I completely forgot I was an adult. I was running around and playing with him just like a little kid.
ऐसा लगे दूर से भी चलो कोको आ
Between the
जाओ
gorgeous mountain views, the crisp air, and Coco's non-stop energy, it felt like happiest, simplest escape.
आओ आओ कोको 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 कैसे लेते हो
Located just a short distance lies the famous local helipad. It's a spectacular, wide open spot where you can feel the mountain breeze, take in 360-degree views of the valleys, and feel like you are standing on top of the world.
इधर है ना चलो इधर का देखा है देखो चूल्हा वाला पॉइंट फाइव पूरा पूरा व्यवस्था ऐसा कि सबको देख के बड़ी लाइट आ जाओ कोको आ जाओ कम आ जाओ आ जाओ
And the best part? The food. Fresh, home cooked meals made with love by the hosts that taste exactly like home. America is beautiful, but it's the warmth of these homestays that makes you want to come back.
आ जाओ फिर जाओ हम लोग करके नहीं आना ऐसे आ जाओ हाँ 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 छोड़ दो आ जाओ चल पूरा फन लविंग है एकदम आओ यहाँ से तो गजब दिख रहा है यार नीचे नीचे वहाँ से रहो यहाँ से बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है भाई ये आपको नज़ारे दिखाई दे रहे मैं क्या बताऊँ आपको तो कम आई, चल, चल। चल,
But the crowning glory of this private retreat awaits you at the top. Set up to the highest viewpoint, and the world opens up. On a clear day, the magnificent Mount Kanchenjunga stands tall right before your eyes, painted in shades of gold and white. It is a sight that words cannot describe, and one can enjoy in complete uninterrupted privacy. And when you return to the highest viewpoint, the ultimate masterpiece awaits. Standing before you in all its golden snow-capped glory is Mount Kanchenjunga. To sit here in absolutely uninterrupted silence, it's a moment that words simply cannot capture. Sometimes the best part of traveling isn't the places you see, but the little friends you make along the way. So, have you ever met a furry friend on a trip?